Welcome back, everyone. We were able to get this back together. Brakes and rotors all the way around. AC line repaired. Blower motor replaced. Rear brakes, rotors Jude's working on now. It's a rainy, muggy Saturday. And I haven't had to tell you a story about this BMW after me bitching and crying at Rachel. And Rachel really does a lot of research and finding parts. So this BMW customer absolutely 100% did not want to pay the BMW money. Typical BMW owner, right?
Yeah.
Or owner driver, BMW driver. Yeah. So Rachel's like, if we order all aftermarket parts, we have no idea what we're going to get. So this car's been gone for 2 weeks. Parts have showed up over that time. And I said, Rachel, it'll just been so easy for you to order everything a la carte from BMW. So we know 100% when we take this car apart that it's going to go right back together. And I said, I know they have to make a quick strut for this car. Supposedly, there isn't a quick strut for the all-wheel drive. How about that? We've checked our local parts houses. She even went online and did some research. And it just seems like there is no quick strut for the all-wheel drive BMW. At this point, I was like, I don't believe it, but whatever. The customer didn't want to pay OEM. We were trying to get a quick strut for it because it just makes the right repair at 150,000 mile BMW worn out suspension. And I haven't had to do this in a long time where you had to break the entire unit down and start over. So the only thing that we were able to use out of his original struts was the spring seat on the strut. Yeah. Everything else was wasted. And then surprisingly, after a couple more phone calls when we were here that we had some of the wrong shit, we got it all dialed in.
It was nice.
So new springs, new strut mount, new bumpers, new condoms, new strut. And like I said, the only thing we had to reuse was the lower spring seat. And Devin's knocking it out. It'd have been so much easier from BMW to just have all the parts. And it's been so long since I've had to break down a strut and start from scratch. But so far, so good. Hopefully the ride height's good and the ride is good.